What's up, guys? Welcome back to another little video. In this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna restore my headlights using this 3M headlight restore kit. No, I'm not being sponsored by it, but hey, 3M, if you're listening or you're watching this video, holler at me, man. Anyways, so yeah, my headlights are out there looking a little worn out, you know, from all the tree sap, the pollen, and you know, the weather, the sun that's been cooking them up, you know. Let's get this box opened and let's see what all came in it. Alright guys, so what's included in this kit right here is one disc pad holder, which is this, gold sanding discs that are 500, which are these, white finishing discs that are 800 grit, Trizac gray refining disc we got right here, two quick headlight clear coat whites, got those, automotive masking tape right there, one disposable glove, got that, and a step-by-step direction. What we're going to supply here at the house is a standard household drill, a spray bottle with water, paper towels, and also some detail cloths. I got some microfiber towels somewhere around here. Alright guys, so let's get all of this put back in this box and let's take our butts outside. First thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mask it off with this masking tape. I'll start off with the 500 with the lens up with some water and throw a little bit on here. Alright, let's get to it. Next we're going to hit it with the 800. Last we're going to wipe it down with this clear coat towel. Let's see what kind of results we get. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and apply the final coat on this lens, and I'm going to do the other one, but I won't sit here and bore y'all with that process. guys, here's a little glimpse of how good they came out. You can see they're all nice, clear. Um, yeah, I would definitely recommend this, the 3M headlight restoring kit, to anybody. I give it a thumbs way up. By the way, if you like this video, just like, comment, and subscribe. That'll help out. Share the video. You know, maybe you know somebody that's trying to do the same project, and I hope I can help them out or help you out. Alright guys, well, that concludes the video for today. I hope y'all liked it. I'm gonna go ahead and start uploading a little bit more. Trying to get back in the groove of things. I know I've been gone for a little while. You know, it's just life, 2 jobs. You know, it's very draining and stuff. So yeah, but anyways, I appreciate y'all watching. Catch me on the next one. Peace.